I've always said if you don't have chicken, you don't have good Zoysia. Yeah. You don't have good Zoysia if you don't have dough. What'd you put on here? Super Juice, GreenShocker, Dirt Booster. That's some nice looking Zoysia there, Doug. That's some really nice looking stuff. Oh, you got a little weak spot over there. Maybe I'll clean that up a little bit, but overall, you're doing really good here. So it's Sunday, Memorial Day weekend, and this place at the beach is just hopping. I mean, it is non-stop people. I mean, it's crazy. So we've learned, if you live here, that the weekends you save for your yard work and everything else. So that's basically what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go cut this grass and then spray it with Super Juice. Woke up early this morning, went fishing, caught a couple sharks. That's about it. So I'm gonna cut the grass and then spray it.
Gotta tell you, this is the time of day when this lawn looks absolutely the best. That look amazing. So it's early, 6:15, 6:30. I'm getting ready to go fishing, and man, that looks amazing. I hit that with some Super Juice last night, and I got to come back after fishing and I will cut it.
Oh, man, it's pretty out here. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want to fish. Now this is the main beach over here. This is the main ocean. And then the inlet is back over here, and that's usually where I fish. But I come out here and I look for birds. That's the first thing I usually do. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm standing here on the beach. And here's the shoreline. And here are my little friends. I can reach out and pet these guys. Don't want them to get in my lines though. Hey guys, oh look, you got a baby with you. How nice is that? Anyways, finally. So this is what I'm catching out here. And they're actually too big for what I want, but I'll take them. All right, so we're finally on. I don't know what it is. I'm guessing maybe a shark or something. Let's tighten the drag down. Let's see. So, got another shark. Woo. Hey guys, so I am back from fishing, and I figured what I do is I just put up the whole reel mow for you guys. Cut the whole lawn. There's people everywhere on this island today. So I have really kind of gotten away from long-term fertilizers right now, because this lawn has been recovering. So what I'm doing is I'm just hitting this with GreenShocker and Super Juice. So the Dirt Booster, when he gets back in stock here in about 2 weeks, I'll be putting some more of that out. But really, just like on my other lawn, you know, this lawn is so thick right now. This Zoysia is really, really thick. So I don't need a whole lot of slow release, stronger fertilizers. So I'm just spoon feeding. I hit it, I did an experiment, and I hit this lawn as soon as I got here 3 times in 1 week with GreenShocker. But now I hit it with Super Juice. I'm gonna hit it one more time with Super Juice, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's absolutely perfect right now. So I'll put up the reel mowing. If you don't have the lawn guides, dude, get the lawn guides. They're free. They're absolutely free. And when you get over to the website, make sure you sign up for our email list, because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway probably in the next month or 2. So be on that email list. We don't use it for marketing. It just sends you emails and lets you know when this idiot's put out a video. So let's go reel mow. Man, that looks good. And I'll tell you what, I'm done. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna rest, have a beer, and enjoy your Memorial Day. I'll hit it tonight with some Super Juice, but man, that lawn just looks absolutely amazing. Have a good weekend. Talk to you later. Doc.